Hello, I'd like to introduce you to the Kerry's corn creamer system, the fastest and easiest way to put up cream style or whole kernel corn. Is that what we're going to have to do is we have to chop off both ends of the ears of corn. In this demonstration we're going to show you on the clever cleaver, which is an option, and watch how easy it is to chop off those ends of the ears of corn. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to attach our corn cob screw, which is included, onto a drill. Now what we're going to do is we're going to run the drill through the fat end of the corn cob. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to run it through our silker deshucker, and it's going to get off we're going to throw off all the shucks, and then we're going to lightly brush the corn against the brushes to get off all of the silk. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to come over here, and this is the Kerry's corn creamer. Now, that you can either put it on a stand, which is included, or you can freehand it like this. And I'll show you how easy that it is. So what we're going to do is we're just going to brush it up against those teeth, okay? Just really slow and easy. 2 or 3 times. Any more and you start biting into the cob. And look at all that deliciousness. Now, there are some people who like it with more pulp. And that's absolutely no problem. Cameraman, can you come on over here? Hold on to that for me. There you go. Thank you. So now what we're going to do is we're going to slowly run this through the whole kernel. Now this will also make whole kernel, but what we're going to do is we're going to get off all that skin and that extra pulp. Look at that. Look at that, huh? Look at that. Beautiful. And look at that cob. Clean as can be. Now what we're going to do is put it in reverse, hold on to the cob, pull it off, and we're ready for the next one.